Hi, I'm Alan, and today I'm going to take you through the Baoli KBET 1292 series. Let's take a closer look. This tough and efficient electric counterbalance forklift is available in two lifting capacities, 1.5 and 1.8 tons, making it ideal for light to medium duty operations. Powered by a maintenance-free 80-volt lithium-ion battery, it produces zero emissions while operating and delivers reliable performance. The KBET 1292 series is a three-wheeler with dual AC drive motors, offering variable drive speeds and power steering. It also includes a single pedal and directional switch to select your direction of drive. The forklift's digital display provides real-time data at your fingertips, including the time and date, truck speed, battery charge and steering position. An integral side shift comes standard, as does a container entry mast with a 6 meter maximum lift height. Various lift height configurations are also available to suit different needs. The triplex 3-stage mast can raise, lower and tilt, with additional hydraulics available for extra attachments. Safety is a priority in Baoli's design. The KBET 1292 series comes equipped with a steel overhead guard, a reverse beeper with flashing beacon, an LED light, an emergency stop button, and a sequential seatbelt interlock system. To ensure stability during turns, the forklift is fitted with curve assist, which automatically adjusts the truck's speed to minimize the risk of tipping. Designed for operator comfort, the KBET series features easy access into the ergonomically designed and spacious cabin, with a comfortable footwell and adjustable seat. For added convenience, the forklift has an adjustable steering column with a compact steering wheel, and a rear handle with a built-in horn button makes reversing easier and safer. Thanks to its three-wheel design and small turning radius, the KBET 1292 series is highly maneuverable, making it ideal for confined warehouse spaces. Built for efficiency, this forklift has low maintenance requirements and delivers an optimal balance of performance and energy consumption. And with its smart, reliable design, you can be confident that the KBET 1292 series will operate safely at all times.